In this photo manipulation video, today I'm going to show you how you can manipulate the color of a costume. So generally as a beginner, we select the brush and then we select the layer and we start applying the brush on the costume. But I will say this as a big no. So first of all, what we should do, we should select the layer and then simple steps, select the costume with your selection tool, and then after that right click and create layer via copy and create one duplicate of that particular layer. After that, go to the top layer and then just go to the adjustment settings, and then from there you select hue and saturation. Once you will select the hue and saturation, then from there you can manipulate your different set of options which is available over there. Like first of all, you can manipulate your saturation point, you can select your lightness settings accordingly, and then color. So basically after applying these particular options, you can go to the next layer, which was my first copy. Then from there you can select a solid color, whichever color you want, and then just click OK. So once you will click OK, then again you have to apply some sort of settings. So those settings I will be showing you over here. So just you have to select that particular layer where we have applied the hue and saturation. Once you will select that particular layer, then before that you should go to your again adjustment settings and just multiply the things over there, and then just select your hue and saturation point, and from there you will get to know about different features like I will show you in this particular video. So as before going to hue and saturation section, I will go to the adjustment settings option, and then from there blending option is available, and from there I will just decrease the number as per my requirement. Now here at this particular place I will go to that hue and saturation layer, and then we'll select the colorize option. You can find colorize in the settings option. Just click on the colorize. As you will click on the colorize, then from there you can change the color of your costume as per your requirement. So this is a quick tutorial video where you can learn exactly how to manipulate the color of a costume in a very simple manner. I hope you enjoyed this part. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep enjoying.